Top 5 Best Wood Lathes for Shaping. Number 5. Delta Industrial 46-460 Variable Speed Midi Lathe. The Delta 46-460 Midi Lathe offers a unique blend of power and flexibility in a compact design, making it an ideal choice for those working on small to medium projects. Its 1 horsepower motor reaches up to 1725 RPM, providing ample power to handle even the toughest materials. A standout feature is its electronic variable speed control, which allows for precise adjustments across 3 pulley speed ranges without the need to manually change belt positions. One of the most innovative aspects of this lathe is its forward and reverse functionality. This feature ensures a superior finish on your projects by allowing you to sand with and against the grain. The patented belt tensioning system makes speed changes quick and easy while ensuring that the belt is always at the correct tension, which extends tool life and improves performance. Built with cast iron for durability and stability, the Delta 46-460 offers a 12.5-inch swing capacity, which is the largest in its class. Included are a 6-inch and 10-inch tool rest, a chrome 3-inch faceplate, and essential accessories like a knockout bar, live center, and wrenches. Backed by a 5-year warranty, this lathe provides exceptional value, reliability, and functionality for both hobbyists and professionals alike. Coming in number 4. Powermatic Woodworking Lathe with Stand. For those seeking precision and power, the Powermatic PM 2014 offers cutting-edge features that make it a standout in the woodturning world. The magnetic control box, which can be placed anywhere on the lathe body, allows for maximum flexibility during operation. The cast iron bed minimizes vibration, providing a quieter, more accurate working environment, which is essential when working on delicate or complex pieces. The lathe offers 24 positive locking indexing positions, simplifying the process for repeatable designs or intricate patterns. It also includes an ergonomic stand, adjustable between 34 to 46 inches, ensuring comfort for users of varying heights. This model disassembles easily, making it portable and accessible for woodworkers who need a more mobile setup. The Powermatic PM 2014 is powered by a 1 horsepower inverter motor, allowing it to operate on a standard 115-volt single-phase power source while delivering the performance of a 230-volt, 3-phase machine. This powerhouse lathe has a swing capacity of 14 inches over the bed and 20 inches between centers, which can be expanded with an optional 13-inch bed extension for larger projects. The premium sliding headstock provides more clearance, especially for outboard turning, making this machine an excellent choice for those handling larger or more intricate workpieces. Coming in number 3. Jet JWL1640 EVS Woodworking Lathe. The Jet JWL1640 EVS Woodworking Lathe stands out with its electronic, infinitely variable speed control, which ranges from 40 to 3,200 RPM, making it adaptable for almost any project. The sliding headstock offers extra versatility, giving you more control over workpieces. An extended spindle nose and dual headstock spindle bearings enhance stability and support for heavier and larger materials. What makes the Jet lathe a professional's choice is its precision-oriented features, such as an improved tailstock quill locking mechanism with an anti-rotation key, which ensures consistent alignment and reduces errors. The spindle lock latch frees up both hands for tool changes and adjustments, while the non-marring banjo wedge system securely holds the tool post in place without damaging it. Integrated 36-position indexing and a conveniently located digital readout enhance accuracy and ease of use. The leg-mounted tool holder adds convenience, making this lathe not only functional but also ergonomic. With its thoughtful features and professional build quality, the Jet JWL1640 EVS is a top contender for anyone serious about woodworking. Coming in number 2. Rikon Power Tools 70-105 Mini Lathe. The Rikon 70-105 Mini Lathe is perfect for those focused on small, intricate projects like pen turning. Its cast iron construction minimizes vibrations, ensuring stability and precision throughout use. The 0.5 horsepower motor delivers ample power for the machine's compact size, and with a 10-inch swing and 18 inches between centers, it can easily handle smaller workpieces. What sets the Rikon Mini Lathe apart is its attention to detail. Designed in response to requests from pen turners, this model features a self-ejecting tailstock, providing seamless spindle transitions and eliminating the need for a knockout bar. Its 5-speed range, including settings for boring barrel holes, shaping, and finishing, ensures you can perform a variety of tasks with precision and ease. Included in the package are essential tools, a live center, tool rest, knockout bar, and wrenches. The Rikon 70-105's sturdy build and thoughtful design make it an excellent choice for dedicated small-scale projects, providing both beginners and seasoned woodturners a reliable tool. Coming in number 1. Wen LA 3424 Benchtop Wood Lathe. The Wen LA 3424 Benchtop Wood Lathe is built for hobbyists and professionals alike. Capable of handling workpieces up to 18 inches long and 12 inches wide, this lathe offers 5 adjustable speeds ranging from 520 to 3400 RPM. Its versatility makes it suitable for turning various materials, whether bowls or spindles. The 3 1/8 inch faceplate is an essential feature for handling non-spindle workpieces, such as cups or decorative bowls. The lathe's 4.5 amp motor delivers enough power to tackle most woodworking projects, providing consistent torque while minimizing walking and wobbling, thanks to its sturdy 70-pound build. The lathe's MT2 tailstock and headstock tapers ensure compatibility with a wide range of lathe accessories, making it easy to customize the machine for your specific needs. Wen thoughtfully includes an 8-inch tool rest, headstock spur center, tailstock live center, and onboard accessory storage, allowing for convenient, organized tool access during operation. This tool's 5-speed operation, paired with its durable construction, makes it a go-to option for a variety of woodworking applications, from rough cutting to intricate detailing.